晚上好。大家晚上好。
晚上好。
好，老师。
晚上好。来，我们来看看啦。Let's try this one，然后 use your own 啦，好不好 ？Let's read once 啦。Clarice 跟 Eponine 可以吗 ？Clarice you will be 马克 and Eponine will be 王玉。Read muna based on this one。开始。
你好，
你好，
请问你叫什么名字？
我叫王玉，你呢？
我叫马克 （Mark Johnson），认识你很高兴。U 小姐，
对不起，我姓王。
Okay. So 这个呢 as we discussed last time， 你好 is a hello， 对不对？请问 may I ask 你叫什么名字 What is your name? So if you are asking someone's name, you can use 你叫什么名字 Then I am to be called 王玉，我叫王玉。你呢 and you, how about you? So 你呢，你 is you 对吧？你呢 how about you? So if you want to say Lorena, how about Lorette? Ganun siya, ha? 我叫马克 I am Mark, or I am to be called Mark. 认识你很高兴 nice to know you. Again, the other word is 很高兴认识你。Then this one, 玉小姐。Then 王玉 said, 对不起，我姓王。So I'm sorry, my surname is Wang, because the Yu is her first name. So since we will not use this kind of conversation, we will change this one. So listen, you can use this one. You can use the name of your classmates naman if ever on how to address your classmate. No? Then if not, pwede natin tanggalin yan. Then we change this one. Kasi I am Mark, 我叫马克. So I am, like you will introduce yourself. What is your name? And then you will say to your classmate, glad to know you or very happy to know you. 对不对？认识你很高兴。What will be your reply? You can also say, also very glad to know you. So how to say that? The also is, you can use yeah. Kasi we have that din naman in the next lesson. The yeah is also. So, paano mo i-insert ang also? How to insert the also? In very glad to know you.
Sa unahan?
Sige, can you try?
Yeah, hen, gaoxing.
Continue. Yeah, 很高兴. It's correct. Hindi pa tapos. Kasi also very glad. Asa na yung to know
I
you?
to know you, friends.
Okay. Yeah, 很好. Very good naman siya. So, very good. It will be 也很高兴认识你. So, Jean uses the word 很高兴认识你. Yung literal translate, the other one. So, yes, it's correct. It's how you answer it. If you want to use this one naman, if you want to use this one mismo, 认识你很高兴, you can put the ye after the ni. Kasi the ye mostly it is after the subject. No? Since if you use 很高兴认识你, yung subject na sa dulo na eh. Ba't mo lalagay sa dulo yung also? So, Jean is correct. 很高兴认识你, it can be 也很高兴认识你. Also very glad to know you. Okay? In other way around, 认识你也很高兴. So after the subject, after the 你 ，OK？ 知道了吗？ So 2位哈，认识你也很高兴，也很高兴认识你。And then it is a also. So it's the second person will use the 也。If you are going to say something, you are the same. Kung pareho yung sasabihin nyo, you can use the also. 知道了吗? Okay, let's try, ha? Let us try. Yani and Lauren, 可以吗? You start. You use your own, ha? Your own. Kumbaga, base the sequence of Maka and Wang Yu, but use your own name. Yani, 你开始, you start. Yani and, sino na ba yung nasabi ko?
Lauren po.
Lauren, di ba? O Yani start, like Yani start saying ni hao. You can follow the sequence of Maka and Wang Yu, but use your own name na. Yani, 在吗? Are you there?
你好，
Ayun.
你好，
Kuha ba? Wait lang.
sorry po. Napuputol po yung VPN ko.
Okay, start. Take 2. 开始, Yani.
你好，
你好，
Yani.
请问你好，什么名字？
你叫，请问你叫什么名字？
请问你叫什么名字？
Yun. Lauren?
我叫 Lauren，你呢？
Okay. Lauren, your tones. 我叫. Kailangan may taas, may baba. Kasi medyo mataas lahat eh. So, 我叫 Lauren. 你呢?
我叫 Lauren，你呢？
Yun. Much better. No? Wag lahat nasa taas ha. Okay.
我叫杨，
Mhm.
认识你很高兴。
Okay. So, Yani said, 我叫 Yani. 认识你很高兴. What will you say, Lauren?
也很高兴认识你。
Yun. So, practice your tones ha, Lauren. Kaya naman eh. 也很高兴认识你.
也很高兴。
Yes. Okay, change nga. Lauren, you start. It's correct. Tama yung sequence niya. Go.
你好，
你好，
请问你叫什么名字？
叫Yani你
你呢?
你呢？
Ne, di ba ang letter E natin is ni ne. Okay, then this one.
我叫马克，认识你很高兴。
Lauren, what is your name?
Sorry. 我叫 Lauren，认识你很高兴。
Okay. What will be your reply, Yani?
Ito pa rin po ba yung
If, di ba, sabi ni Lauren, I am Lauren, nice to know you. How you say, also nice to know you. Hmm?
也认识你很
认识你也很高兴。认识你
认识你
也
也很
很
高兴。
高兴。Kasi kapag you want to use the other one, it will be 也很高兴认识你。Kasi the 也 is always the 也 is always come after the subject. So it will be inserted here. 认识你也很高兴。And then the other way around, 也很高兴认识你。Okay? Okay, keep practicing pa ha. Like Jean 跟 Anna Rose, 可以吗？
Sino po ako?
You start, Jean.
Okay. 你好，
你好，
请问你叫什么名字？
名
我
字，
名字，
我
请
叫
问你叫，sorry po.
Sige ulit, Jean.
请问你叫什么名字？
Okay, Anna Rose.
我叫是不是你呢？
我叫 no J sound sa Anna. 我叫
我叫是不是你呢？
Okay, 你呢？
我叫 Jean，认识你很高兴。于小姐，
Oh, Jean, she is not Yu 小姐。
sino po ba siya? Ay, di ba dapat magkakamali ako para, ano, o hindi ako magkakamali?
Hindi na, okay na siya. Kasi we will
Okay
use
na siya.
na lang. Kasi we don't
Yung
know.
also, okay, sige po.
Anna, what will you say?
对不起，我姓王。
Anna, you will be your own. Sarili
okay.
mo.
Okay.
So you will say, you can say also nice to know you. Kasi we will put out this one na kasi we don't know your Chinese surname eh, right?
Okay po.
Papalitan na natin siya. If ever, next time, kapag you know the Chinese surname of each of you, pwede. Okay?
Okay po.
Oh,
I know my Chinese name po.
Okay.
对不起，对不起。Ano po tong Singwang name po ba to?
This one kasi, the Sing is the surname. Kasi this one, what is referring, sabi ni Mark, Yu Xiaojie. Parang tinawag niya si Wang Yu as Yu Xiaojie. Kasi, di ba, ang Xiaojie is Miss. Di ba, as I said, kapag yung mga Miss, Mrs., Mr., dapat they are the last name, right? Kaya sinabi niya, 对不起，我姓王. It is saying, I'm sorry, my last name is Wang. So, that's why I picked this part kasi hindi natin alam yung surname ng isa't isa. 对不对?
Okay po.
Or if ever, we can use that if like we pretend na we can get the surname of each of your classmate, no? Then gagamitin natin to, pwede siya. 对不对? Like kunyari, I can see the surname of Clarice, 'di ba? Balona. I can say Balona 小姐 diba? Then if I mistakenly use the Clarice 小姐对不起我姓 Balona. That's what is the situation, no? Here. Pero since mahirap makuha lahat ng surname, so we can change this one into using the also. Also nice to know you. Also glad to know you. 也很高兴认识你 or 认识你也很高兴. Nakuha ba point ko? Everyone?
Langshi, just to clarify lang po. Bali po
Mm-mm.
yung first speaker, ang sasabihin po, 认识你很高兴. And then yung second speaker, 认识你也很高兴. Tapos na
Yes.
po.
Yes.
Okay po.
Then why you should use the 也很高兴?
Kasi tama na yung sasabihin kong apelido. Dapat.
Oo. Kumbaga, nag-end na lang tayo ng nice to know you kasi we don't use this one anymore.
Yes,
Para
because it will take longer po eh pag
Oo.
wala
Sige.
tayong last name.
Ay, okay.
So we just end this conversation until here lang. And then, para meron lang sagot si Wang Yi, para may reply lang ang ending. So, tama, we should reply syempre. Like if Kate, nice to know you. What will you say to me, di ba? You can also say,
认识你也很高兴. Tama
yes,
po.
parang nice to know you too, or also nice to know you, right? So
Yes,
parang
po.
meron lang tayong gagawing ending instead of using the surname. Kasi I will teach the surname naman the next lesson, so don't worry, okay? Got the point. 知道了吗? So Anna Rose, it's okay. Just we can use the also nice to know you. 知道吗? Sige, Anna, can you swap muna? Anna, you go first, and Jean the second one na. Go ahead.
你好，
你好，
请问你叫什么名字？
我找信，你呢？
Continue.
Ay, next slide.
我叫徐如熙，认识你，很高兴。
认识你也很高兴。
Okay, 认识你也很高兴。知道了哈? So don't worry, we have a lot of conversation to pass next. 来，Nikki 跟 Kate 可以吗? Kate, you start.
你好，
你好，
请问你叫什么名字？
我叫王云宁呢。
Yung Wang Yu. Yung name mo po ata, hindi Wang Yu.
Yes, use your own name.
我叫Nikki 宁呢，宁呢。
我叫 Kate， 认识你很高兴。
认识你也很高兴。
Okay,
也认识你也很高兴。
Okay, let's change naman. Start with you. Nikki.
你好，
你好，
请问你叫什么名字？
什么 not me. 什么
什么名字？
我叫 Kate， 你呢？
我叫 Nikki， 认识你很高兴。
认识你也很高兴。
Okay, 知道了哈? So, keep practice reading pa rin ha. 认识你也很高兴. Nandun na eh. You just need to perfect it. 好不好?
May question po ako.
Go.
Ituturo niya naman po soon yung ano, di ba? Kasi napansin ko lang yung ye. Ng ye. Is, I talaga siya na sound. Hindi siya yung ye. No?
Yeah.
Tama ba?
Yeah. Kasi the yeah, di ba? Which one?
Yung
yeah.
ye po,
For the
nung
ye,
ano, also.
the yeah, saka A, yan, ito lang yung mas, it's not following the sounds. The
Ganito po yung spelling nung ye. I-E.
Ito
Y-I-E.
talaga yung, kasi di ba ang Y and I is the same.
Y and I. Hmm.
The Y at saka I sounds is the same. Kaya the IE is also the YE.
Ano po ba spelling nung ye? Nung also?
The YE. I'm just to let you know the IE and the YE is the same.
Okay.
Diba yung xiao jie, it will be ji,
Okay.
jie. So, ito
Yung
rin siya.
soft siya na I. Okay.
Okay. So,
Okay,
ito lang.
gets.
Remember how to pronounce the IE saka EI. The IE is IE. The EI is A.
A.
Para ka nag-read ng letter A.
Okay.
Sa EI. These two, ha? Remember the sounds of these two. The IE is IE. The EI is A. It's good to ask, no? Basta ask me lang pag medyo naglilito kayo. Okay? So, the
Okay.
IE is also equivalent to YE din yan. Diba? So, kaya di ba
Okay.
I said kapag UE saka WE, minsan same sound lang yan. UO, WO, same sounds yan. Right? Yung mga ganyan. Oh. Kasi the U and W same sound. 好的，谢谢。知道了哈 So, we can move na. So, again ha, review the 早上好，晚上好，你叫什么名字 Okay? Okay, let's try this one nga. Sige nga. Yeah. Who want to try first part muna? Sige, ganito na lang. Eponine, you will be A. Jean, you will be B. Try.
你好，
你好，
请问你叫什么名字？
我叫 Jin。你呢？
我叫马克。
Yeah, you can read this one, Jean. Kasi reading part lang naman. It's okay.
Sinabi ko yung pangalan ko.
Okay lang yan. What
Yung
will be the
very glad to know you na po ba ito? Ako kasi,
Yeah.
di ba?
Aha.
认识你很高兴。
Okay. Got the sequence na, everyone? Sige, let's try pa. Like Anna Rose and Clarice, 可以吗? Clarice, you will be A.
你好，
你好，
请问你叫什么名字？
You
我
can read.
叫我叫王优，你呢？
我叫马格。
What will be the last?
我叫马克，认识你很高兴。
我叫马克 is, di ba? This is the one that Everybody said it. So you will be the one 认识你很高兴。
认识你很高兴。
Okay, 我叫马克 is the other one, 对吧 ？Okay,
Yes.
好的。来啊，等一下哈。Kate and Lauren, 可以吗 ？Kate start.
你好，
你好，
请问你找 I mean, let me repeat. Sorry po, ulitin ko lang. 请问你找什么名字？
我叫网友，你呢？
我叫马克，认识你很高兴。
哦，
You
对对，我叫
Sorry.
马克 ，stop 那阵。
马克stop po. 我叫马克，
认识你很高兴。
Okay. 好的，谢谢。So, but
谢
this
谢
is what it is saying. 你好 hello. 请问 what may I ask? What is your name? I am Wang Yu. How about you? I am Mark. Then what is Wang Yu said in the last? Nice to know you. 对不对 ？Okay, 好的。Lahat ba natawag na? Nikki? Kulang ba tayo ng isa? Isa. So, Nikki and who else pa hindi ko natawag in this part? Everyone called na ba? Only Nikki? Di ba dapat by 2? Anyone? Sige, if there's none, Nikki, 你好，
你好，
请问你叫什么名字？
我叫王友宁呢。我叫你呢。
我叫网玉，网玉，你呢？
我
我叫
叫 reading nga lang po pala. 我叫马克。
Okay, I will be the one. 我叫马克。What will be your last answer?
请问
This one, this part. You will be this part.
什么人是高
认
兴？
识你，认识你很高兴。
认识你好高兴。认识你
Memorize that. 认识你很高兴。
认识你好高兴。
Okay, 很高兴。Okay, 好的。So, any question pa about that? 有没有问题? Okay, let's move na. Okay, these are the new words natin. The first one is what? Sige, everyone can read.
中文，
中文
中文
What is
中文。
Zhongwen?
Chinese.
Chinese. And then the 是, na-explain ko na, there's a lot of meaning ng 是, right?
Yes.
It is, are, it can be also yes, it can be I am na am, it can be be. No? Maraming meaning ng 是, maraming gamit ng 是. 是
Yes.
是.
是
Then 你们大
你
家
们 plural. Okay. Pag
Yes, it's the plural of ni. No, there's no plural kasi ng you pa rin di ba? So the ni, the plural is niman. So what about the I or me? What is we or us?
我们
Woman. And then how about they?
You.
Oh, ja.
What is they or them?
Daja. Daja. Daja.
Tatya is everybody or everyone
Tamada.
Kaya pala Tajahao.
Yes, Tatya Hao, everyone. Hello everyone, di ba?
Hello everyone. Tajahao.
Dave, di ba parang tayo is woman, kayo,
Sila.
niman. How about you sila?
Niman din po ba yun?
Tama.
Tamen. Di ba the ta, the he or she?
Ham.
Tamen. Ta, the he or she. Teka, may ta ba tayo dito?
Ayun po yung sila.
Oo. Tamen. This one. Kasi hindi ko kagad na. Ito. The ta is a he, and then the other ta is a she. If you can see, the difference is in the character. Etong ta is a male, and then this kind of ta is a female.
Pero same lang po yung ano niyan, no? Tone.
They are the same meaning.
Ta.
Kapag sa,
Ta.
yeah.
Okay.
This is a she, this is a he, this is a she. He or her, he or he, she or, if you can see the character is different, use the left side. So if you learn the character, madi-differentiate mo yung gender. Pero if you learn only the PE, you don't know if it is a he or a she.
Okay.
It depends na sa situation. Okay?
Okay.
Why? This ha kasi no, this is a standing person. This naman is a nyi. Nyi is a girl. Etong nasa left side, this is a nyi. Girl yan. Kaya she yan. Okay? Nyi is a girl. I just let you know kung ano difference ng dalawa. And then, plural is tamen. No? Tamen. Basta you add the man lang if you will make it plural. Okay? Hata?
Okay.
So, read this part, practice this part, ha? We will start here na tomorrow.
Same.
Apo, ha? Sige nga, let us read it once man lang. Sige, I'll get 3. Anna Rose, start. Kaisher.
我叫 ay ang name ko po ba ang gagamitin po or
No, read
magbabasa lang?
it. Read it
Ah.
as is.
Okay po. 我叫 Mark Jason John
Johnson.
ay
我叫
Johnson.
Johnson.
我叫 Mark Johnson 中文名字是马克，认识你们很高兴。
Okay, 好的，谢谢。来，第二个 Kate。
Sorry.
Sige, read lang. 大家好。
大家好，我是中文，名字是安娜，很高兴认识大家。
You can read the Ana Paula para ma-understand natin yung buong ano.
Yes. 大家好，我是 Anna Pollard。
Sure. Ayan tayo sa sure, ha? The sure.
是，我
是。
是。大家好，我是 Anna Pollard。 中
Yes.
文名字是 Anna。
Sure.
是，sorry。中文名字是 Anna。 很高兴认识大家。
Yes. How you read the 认识 yung 是 same siya.
认识，
Okay? SH siya.
认识。
So masanay na yung 是 kasi marami tayong 是.
Apa.
Okay. Yani, can you read the last?
你们好，我叫 Steve Brown. 中文名字是史蒂夫。
Sure. Ayan na yung mga sure niyo, ha? Okay, Lauren, can you start again?
我叫 Mark Johnson 中文 名字是马克，认识你们很高兴。
中啊，中文。
中文，
中文. Clarice, next. Ine-extend ko na lang yung time ha para makapag-more learning tayo. Clarice?
我叫 Mark Johnson，声问名字是 sorry 吧，我叫 Mark Johnson，声问名字是马克，认识你们很高兴。
Okay, Jean, can you try the middle one?
大家好，我是中文，ulit po. 大家好，我是 Anna Pollard。中文名字是 Anna。很高兴认识你，大家。
Okay, Clarice, the last part.
你们好，我叫 Steve Brown，声问名字是史蒂夫。
Done na ba, everyone? Yani, done na natin.
Tapos na po.
Okay. So keep reading ha. Then try to analyze the question I will ask tomorrow. 好不好? Okay.
Yes,
再见。
老师。
晚
谢谢
安。
老师。
谢谢老师。
再见。
一起。
不客气。